watamasha mwokwaka chocho miko watamasha mwokwaka chocho miko watamasha mwokwaka chocho miko watamasha mwokwaka chocho miko watamasha mwokwaka chocho miko.
Nemiri, the mother of all, the mother that hears the cry of her child, the mother that heals the brokenness of a child. Mother, your daughter is here. I've come to you because all the villagers are calling me names and saying all sorts of things to me, even my own husband. Mother, you remember you blessed me with a husband. But what is the joy in marriage without a child, Mother? Mother, you know that your gift maketh rich and it addeth no sorrow. Mother, I am here because I am desperate. I am desperate to have a child because the villagers have threatened to cast me away out from my husband's house. Mother, please don't give a deaf ear to my cry. Please come to my rescue. Namiriara! Come to my rescue.
You are pure. You have a pure heart. All I can see is a pure heart battling with nature. The path you seek is more deadly than you can imagine. Are you ready to pay the price?
Nemiri, like I said before, I am a desperate woman that needs a child. I am ready to pay any price just for a child, Mother.
Blood for blood. You shall conceive. Twin. But a great exchange of life must be made. Your husband will sacrifice for your life. Then the other twin will become mine.
My husband, my child.
Let this river bear us witness this day.
And let this river bear us witness this day.
Calamity. Nemesis, that's what we'll be calling her.
Biko, I'm not ready for all this now. Biko. Oh.
Calm down. My father told me this in the past.
I'm not
what
ready.
she has done. Things that she has done.
Oh, I've told you.
I'm telling you something. Listen.
The village is not going to come out next to me.
The person who go, you have to try all your power.
I can't.
Mazokon.
My king.
What is it?
Where this belong, my king?
Sit down. So, what is it?
My king, one that shall never end. My king, do you know that Mazibe, you know very well, is planning to eliminate your life? He is trying to take away the throne from you.
Mazokon.
My king.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
My king, this is what is on board right now as I'm talking to you.
Did he disclose to you what I did to him?
He never disclosed anything to me.
I see. I see. It's all right. Thank you, Azuko.
My king, may this be long way.
Can now go. I see. Is that why? Is that why Ibe has been so close to me? So fine. Unlike Ibe.
It's soon to be king. Eze kwesịrị gawa biko. Eze kwesịrị gị. Odogwu nwoke. Odogwu nwoke. Onye nọ n'ụzọ ahụ? Oh my God. Incoming.
But wait. What is it? Don't you think that attire this boy is wearing fits me as the left hand of this king?
What are you saying? Especially that beat that the king is wearing. Imagine you're the one wearing it now. Finish work. Even your hand with everything.
Again.
Oh, see your body now. It's giving king. Oh, my brother.
The next king of this king.
Who is saying otherwise?
Nobody.
Don't forget me when you get there.
No.
I'll bring the palace with you.
The princess.
Oh my God.
The princess. Look at you.
That's me.
Negodigi. Ijuleju.
Who is saying otherwise?
No one. Hey.
Gawa, biko.
Again.
Odogwu nwoke. My brother.
Kotiko, nwata macha mmọkwa aka, chocho milu, nwata macha mmọkwa aka, chocho milu, nwata macha mmọkwa aka, kokotiko, nwata macha mmọkwa aka, kokotiko, nwata macha mmọkwa aka. Do you know you're actually a great dancer and also a great warrior?
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Ijimam, I want to ask you.
Go on.
How does it feel to be a spirit?
You want to know? I will make it happen very fast.
Don't worry, not now.
Really? I'm always by your side.
Mama?
Who are you talking to, my child? Because with what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing with any person here.
Mama, I'm talking with my sister. Mama, she said that I can be a great warrior.
Your sister?
Yes, Mama.
Where is she?
Mama, she's here with me.
Oh, such a burden. This gift,
Mama, what is the problem?
Don't worry, you are talking with your sister.
Yes.
No problem. Continue talking with your sister.
Okay. Oh. Mama, you can.
Mama, you can come and join us.
Continue talking to your sister.
Hey! You, how dare you? A commoner like you. Hold your greatness. Nwagulafo, just look at your life. No brother, no family, not even a thirst of power. And don't you ever dream of becoming a princess, because that will never happen. You'll just always be a maid.
Listen, Sama, my worth is not determined by the title I hold.
And you listen. Now, spoken like a true commoner. Because you will always be a commoner. Now, get out. Get out!
Sorry.
Oh, pity. Stupid girl.
Well. It is always the unfortunate one. Still fetching water like a commoner.
Good day, my friends.
Don't greet me. I don't need your greetings. Our life is a mess. Isn't it? No hope, no future. Always destined to always bow down to those of us born into royalty. We can never be anything, I mean anything more than this. But I must say, you are growing into a fine lady. Maybe you should start attending to my chambers at night. At least to have a taste of royalty.
My prince, please. I will go.
Don't mind her. She's not just used to having a taste of royalty, you know?
Yes, my prince.
Maybe you should go get me one of the maidens. Come and bet me in this river.
As you say.
No, don't stop. Nwaro, you look thoughtful today, and I love the way you dance.
Good morning, my prince.
Good morning. Nwaro, you're very determined, so don't let their words weigh you down.
My prince, the thing is that they always say a very harshful word on me.
Nwaro, life is not always fair, but kindness always prevails. I will take care of you, Nwaro. So don't be scared. You have a very good heart. I'll take care of you. Okay, so let me allow you dance while I watch you. Right on. Yeah, I love the way you dance.
Ugo. So, how are you today?
As you can see, Father, I'm great.
So how? I've been expecting you to one day say, Father, this is the maiden I've sent.
Father, don't you think it's too early for that?
Well, when I had your mother, I was a young man. I'm thinking I am a young man. I was in my early 20s. So you said you wanted to say something.
Yes, Father. There's this now I've been wanting to tell you all this while. Father, it's about Nwagulafo. Don't think she's not supposed to be in the palace.
Why?
That girl stinks. She's so ugly, so dirty. Father, I don't like her.
Ugo,
Father.
you see, that girl's father was too loyal to the fourth. You understand me? So before his death, the man was too loyal to the palace.
But he's late now, Father.
Um,
He's late, and
can I ask you a question?
You can
If
answer
you
that.
if you are in her shoe, and they send you out where you are getting your daily meals, how will you feel? Let's not worry. It's a discussion for another day.
Uzanna.
Greetings, Father.
Uzanna, I have been observing you for a few days now. You have been pacing up and down, talking to nobody except yourself. What is eating you up?
Father, I'm worried.
You're worried?
Yes, I'm worried.
Wibea! Wibea!
Papa.
Did you hear your brother? He said he is worried. Uzanna, what are you worried about?
Father, what if the princes fight to retain the kingship after the king dies?
Yes, Papa, he's right. No matter the custom, the prince may still insist on becoming the king, notwithstanding the custom. Especially Prince Ugo, he is already acting as if he's the heir to the throne.
That cannot happen. We will not allow that to happen. I am Ibe. It's like you are forgetting who your father is.
I trust you, Papa.
We cannot allow the golden opportunity the people and the gods bestowed upon us by shifting the royalty to our family to elude us. It will not happen.
Okay, Father. But how do we ensure this? What are we going to do? What do we do?
For Simrin Beko. Oh, Simrin Beko. Have you forgotten who I am? When Osimiri challenged me, when Dikon challenged me, and others, you can remember what happened to them.
Exactly, Papa.
We will not allow such to happen. We are going to remove the obstacles permanently.
Exactly. We have to.
I said we will remove the obstacles.
Papa, you know that these people, they have power. They can use their influence to bind the community against us, or even plan our demise before we know it.
Oh, Simirin Beko. It will not happen. I am Ibe. And they cannot do that.
Papa, what is this?
Like I told you yesterday, whatever will be the obstacle to your ascension to the throne will be removed permanently. Take. This is yam. Go to the king. Give it to king. Let him eat it. Stay with him. Persuade him. Make sure that he eats yam. Later, come back to give me the good news.
No problem, Papa. I will do as you say.
But, Papa,
why are you asking a question like a woman? Uzanna, are you really my son? Uzanna, I reminded you yesterday of the exploits I did. I usually go for what I want and I get it.
Papa, may I trust you?
It will work. At the end of the day, you will see what will happen. Also, don't you want to be the king of this kingdom? Yes.
I'm already the king.
What about you? Will you not like to be the princess of this kingdom?
Yes, I will be.
Make sure you carry everything as instructed.
No problem, Papa.
Osimiri Beko. Osimiri Beko. I am Ibe. Anybody who dares me. Bad man.
Let me go.
Does it mean the maidens have not made anything for the future king? Obiago, come back here. What do you have in there?
Food for the king, my prince.
Food for the king?
Yes, my prince.
And I have not eaten all morning. Keep it here.
But my prince, the food was specially made by the Ibe's family for the king.
Don't let my anger descend on you. Keep it here.
Yes, my prince.
You have to start treating me nice. You know the king will soon die and I will become the next king. If you don't treat me nice, I might send you out of this palace. Now go get me something to wash my hand with.
Yes, my prince.
These people don't know that I have not eaten since morning. Prepared just the way I like it. This food is so delicious. Maybe I should come as Ibe's daughter to come and attend to my chambers. Obiago!
My prince! My prince! Igwe! My prince! My prince! Igwe! Igwe! My prince! My prince! Prince is dead, though.
My son. My first son. Who did this to you? Who did this to you?
This cannot be. This cannot be. My only brother.
We must find out immediately who did this. We must take action immediately, please.
Chai! 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 It cannot be. Igwe, it cannot be. The prince was so vibrant. He was so kind-hearted. He was so philanthropic. I know what he did for me last time. He gave me money. I don't know why the gods allowed this to happen.
My king. Take heart, my king. Take heart. Be a man. We must see the end of it. The gods of our land will never take it easy to anyone who is responsible about this. Never! Never! Take heart.
My prince, my prince. Sorry!
Mazi.
You're welcome.
Our people say that a toad does not run in the daytime. Either it's pursuing something or something is pursuing it.
That's true.
Mazi, what brought you to my place?
There's a more take.
Keep it there. Mazi, this your cowries is very sick. But I know what to do. I'll do a great job for you.
Ezemo. One bin abakona obara. Ngora.
Okay, ya da no no. Ewu amo no bole.
That is true. Ezemo, I want something potent. And that is why we came, myself and my son, we came with this cowrie. We want something that can incapacitate the remaining prince.
Yes.
That's all we want. Am I not correct?
Correct.
Ego adela atu afọ obuloza. Ogwala agwo tulumbe. Tulokpukule ya. Hey.
Ezemo. Make him deaf. Dumb. In fact, make him useless.
Before you came, I already know what to do. Odaguna lelu ndelele kwe madabula mundelebe mnoni tele chechim. Nanna mama mu wangula tufu mo nemekpa. Nanna mama mu wangula tufu mo nemekpa. Nwoke mafu anya ndele nwanyị mafu anya ndele. Odaguna lelu lekwe madabula mundelebe mnoni tele chechim. Odaguna lelu ndele. Mazi, take. Hold it very tight.
Ezemo,
Mazi,
I hope there is no repercussion about what you gave to us.
Mazi. Ogwala gwo tulumbe tulokpokole ya. If you know me, come near no one. If you know me, come near man. If you know one, come near me like you. Hey.
Thank you, friend.
I'll take it easy. Okay? Are you sure you can do this?
What is it? What is it? Wait. My princess! Let me go for help. My princess! We are training. I don't know what happened to him. What are you saying? I don't know what happened to him. I don't know what happened to him.
Let's go! Father! I don't know what is wrong with him, but Father, he's not talking. Maybe he's talking.
What is it?
I don't know. My brother is not talking. Father, do something.
Everywhere! Hey! What have I done to deserve this? First, it was my first son who lost his life. And now, my son Ibube, deaf and dumb.
Yeah.
I'll do something.
We have to be guided, though. We have to be guided. And let us not be hasty in trying to unravel whatever is responsible for all this happening to your family. I'm sure the gods are displeased. Let us not be too hasty.
The gods of our land. Why me? Why me? Gods of our land. If I have offended the gods, why not come for me? Why my children? Gods of our land. Whoever is responsible of this, that person must not go free. That person must not go free. Guards, take him inside. As and why, my kingdom is on fire. Just few days ago, I lost my first son. Now, my son Ebube is deaf. Please, as and why, I want you to do something.
Spirit of the forest holds the key. Sacred river, down within the evil forest, holds the purest water, capable of healing such melody.
But the evil forest...
Only the purest heart brave these dangers. 4 virgin ladies must embark on this journey. Their purity will protect them. Their courage will be tested.
As and when said before, I don't think we have 4 virgins because most of the maidens we have in this kingdom go after them. So, what are we doing?
My king, if you must save your son, that's all required. I take my leave.
Yemutio, people of Amanata, by royal decree, 4 virgin maidens are to go to the sacred river to fetch water to heal our beloved Prince Ebube. The king has promised that the virgin that fetched that water successfully will become a princess of the Amanato kingdom. And even when the kingship is passed to the family of Ibe, she shall retain her status as a princess in Amanato kingdom. Yay! Yay!
Can you imagine? But brother, you know this thing is not possible. Nobody goes to that forest and come out alive.
Don't mind this.
We don't even have up to 2 virgins in this village.
In this kingdom.
The prince will die.
My dear.
Sister, me, I'm tired.
4 virgin maidens are to be chosen to go to the sacred river to fetch water to heal our beloved Prince Ebube. That fetch that water, we become a princess of this kingdom. And even when the kingship is transferred to the Ibe family, she will retain her status as a princess in this kingdom.
Adanne, you know me is going to be out as come more.
No, I'm gonna forget the.
But wait, are you sure the king has not committed anything? It's like the gods is angry with our family. As for me, I'm not going. You see that forest? That forest will not see me. I'm not Papa Manya. Sacrifice for who?
Go, my sister. Do not be afraid. Go with the maidens. I will protect you to the best of my ability.
I still don't know the reason why I'm doing it. I feel a big responsibility in my heart.
Your fate is determined by this kingdom. Do not be afraid. I will be with you. Go now. The evil forest is deadly than you can ever imagine. Only the brave heart makes it out alive. But do not be afraid. The great mother of this river is with you all. Remember, only the brave heart makes it out alive. We all proceed to see the king.
People of this great kingdom, I greet you. My able elders, I greet you all. Today, our daughters will be embarking on a dangerous journey. They are going on a journey to save the prince, my son, Prince Ebube, who is deaf and dumb. I know the journey is risk, but I believe that the gods of our land, our ancestors, will guide you all and bring you back safely. I want to thank the few of you who has decided to go for this journey because of my son's condition. And I want to make a promise. I want to promise that any of you that comes back with the water that will heal my son will automatically be one of the princes of this great kingdom. She will benefit from the royalty. That is my promise. She will from that moment address as a princess. Once again, I say, as we make this journey, may the spirit of our ancestors, the gods of our land, guide you and bring you back safely.
May the gods of our land guide your steps
and protect you from all harms. Please come back to us. Promise me you're coming back to me, please. Please come back.
The spirits of the forest are ancient. Demand respect. Hold your purity. Be mindful of your steps. Follow the path revealed. The sacred water awaits for those that want it. May the gods of our land guide and protect you all. Go!
What is my present? Oh, not give me those useless greetings. Nwabunaf, what are you thinking? You desperate maiden. That you will be a princess just like me.
Princess Sama, I'm doing this just for the prince.
Oh, do not lie to me. Because I see the desperation in your eyes. But I want to tell you something. Come out from that dream. Because that dream, it will never come to pass. You see that forest? Do not accept a desperate maiden like you. So wake up.
Princess Sama, you underestimate the power that comes from the pure-hearted, and you overestimate the words of your mouth. I will return.
Jesus.
No, 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 no.
Can't seem
no,
strange.
No, 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 no.
Do not look at them.
No,
They are deadly.
no, 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 no.
I'm tired.
Are we truly going in there?
The king's command must be obeyed. Yes, you must be brave. We are doing this for the prince.
Sincerely speaking, I'm not doing this for the prince. I am doing this for myself to become the next princess.
Or will you shut up?
Don't shut me up. But wait though, if we all get the water, who is going to be the princess?
You must be very stupid.
Did I say anything bad?
To pass, you must dance with us.
The dance of the spirit.
The one that is acceptable to us. If you falter, you fail.
You want us to dance? Listen, as we start dancing, please do not be carried away.
We are ready.
This is the path leading to the sacred river. Before you pass, the sacrifice must be made.
I will go. Please, if you get to Amarato, give this to my mother. It will serve as a symbol that I served my community till death. Take.
They're gaining on us. I can no longer run again.
You just have to continue. Please. Let's go. Let's go.
Sister! I know you both must be thirsty. Come get water.
Yes! Don't! She's no longer your sister. This is Tunguloma, the daughter of the forest. Do not take this water from her.
Don't believe her. I went to get water for us to drink. Come take water.
Do not!
Mama, we are very, very thirsty. Please allow us take this water.
Do not take the water!
Let's go.
I can't sleep. I keep seeing their faces.
We have to rest, so we have strength to continue our journey.
Sleep, my sister. You are now safe. The river is close by.
Thank you, my sister.
Who are you talking to?
Don't worry, just rest.
Are you sure? So I finally got here first. I'm going to be the princess.
The sacrifice has been made. You may now fetch from our water.
The evil forest. So many stories. So many lost. My Nwaro, so gentle, so kind. Why must it be her? She's always been so different, talking to herself, saying things. My precious child. I pray her other half, the one who watches over her, is truly enough to keep her safe. The priestess spoke of a great price for me to have children. And now, it feels like the debt is being called on my surviving daughter. I should have stopped her, held her here, hidden her away, but the king's command and her unfair spirit, she wouldn't be swayed. She told me she had to go, that it was her path. What path, my child? A path into the mouth of danger? Please, ancestors, protect her, guide her steps. Let her purity be a shield. Let her twin spirit be her sword. Bring my Nwaro home and save. Oh, I cannot bear to lose another, not even her.
Where have you been? I've been searching for you. Have you forgotten my father was the greatest swimmer? So I swam my way out. Oh, you're with water. I'm thirsty, I need water. Okay.
Don't! This is not Akudo. She is a familiar spirit.
How dare you challenge me in my territory?
I am not here to fight you. I am here to save my sister.
Blood for blood. What are you willing to exchange?
I will exchange one of my lineage blessings.
Fine. You can go.
Go, Akudo!
But remember, blood for blood.
I know you look surprised seeing us here. Well, I'm not here, I can talk and I can hear.
You're telling me that you're now talking?
I'm talking to you right now. I can now talk and I can hear you very well.
What is leading here?
Oh yes, I came to accompany him because I can do that.
I was looking forward to seeing you with Maiden coming back, but I didn't see you. So me and my brother decided to come and get you home. So let's go home. Let's go home.
Dance! They are familiar spirits of the forest.
Shut up! Let's go home. Let's go home.
Dance!
Never you question my authority again.
What will I run?
Let's let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Run!
Wait, let's go.
Run!
Let's go.
This is the path that demarcates the death and the life. This is the death and this is the life. Before you pass, a sacrifice must be offered.
What do we have to offer?
The biggest blessing from your lineage.
The bond that brings us together is much greater. I will sacrifice. Go! Wangulafo! Go! Go!
No. Hey, Mama Bulofo. Oh, hey, cause of our land. Please, cause of our land. Guide her for me, protect her. Oh, hey, with what I'm seeing. No. Hey, have to go to Noche's house. Hey, cause of our land, please. Guide her for me and protect her. She's the only source of my happiness, so I don't have any other one. Oh.
The people of Amanato. People of Amanato. I greet you all. Did you come back with the water?
It is fake water. Fake water. Yes. Don't worry. She came back with fake water. He can never recover water. He won't talk. Don't be afraid. He will not talk. What's happening? What's happening? No, he will not. Akuku, Gadawaya. Epilepsy is going to hold him. Huh? Huh? Huh?
I can speak. Everywhere. What are you doing? Goes over land. Hey! Goes over land. What fire? Who you let the fire you? Hey, Papa fire. My king. Hey, Jesus. My king. I did it.
I'm sorry. Hey, we are sorry. You're gonna walk on the
Igwe, I'm sorry. Hey, Igwe. After the death of Odosi, brought no male child. According to the traditions and customs of this kingdom, the elders had a meeting behind you, and they proposed that after your demise, the throne will come to my family. And I wanted it to be so quick. I wanted Hosanna, my son, to be the king after you, even before your demise.
People of Amaton, you've had it. I told you. I warned you. I warned you never to start a fight. You will not finish. Look at your situation. Look at the condition of your children. You let them to go and do evil. Think evil about the royal family. Why don't you wait? As the king of this great kingdom, I exercise my authority. From this moment, you are hereby banished. You and your family. Guards! Take them to the boundary!
My king.
As you can see, this is what happened to those who are desperate. And for you, might as well take it. So hereby. And you, I'm gonna fall. Thank you. Very much. I am going to fulfill my promise. I'm going to fulfill my promise. And from this moment, you are now. Thank you. Very much. Thank you, everyone.
Princess Nwaro.
Do you think that this changed anything? Does not. Because to me, you are just a maiden who just got lucky.
Should I remind you that you can't fight destiny, Princess Amara? You should get used to calling or saying me as the princess. Mama, there is something I must tell you. Something that I've been hiding for so long.
Speak freely, my child. Is it the weight of this crown?
No, Mama. No, it's about the forest. Mama, it's about everything. It's about my twin sister. Mama, she always appears to me.
I know, my child.
You know?
When you were born, my child, the midwife came to your father, and when your father died, and your little sister's body lay cold beside you, I saw it, my child. A shimmer. It found light near you. I knew it. The chief priestess, she spoke of a life for a life, a twin for a twin. Your life for your father's conception. Your twin life to pay the price for yours. Yes, my child. And your sister's spirit. It's legal. A protector. A guardian. She has always been the shadow and shield, my child.
Mama, you knew. Mama, you knew all this year.
Yes, my child. A mother knows her children, even the ones she cannot see. I saw you playing, talking, laughing with unseen company. It was a comfort. Even if it was a mystery, she was a gift. My precious child. My precious child.
Mama, I can tell you that without her, when the spirit commanded us to dance, she was there. Mama, she was there to tell me that my life is saved when Urimi died. Mama, she's everything. Mama, she has saved me. And she's the reason why I'm living.
My child. Yes, I am aware of all these things, my child.
Mama.
Do you know what I wish in my heart? I wish your father is alive to see today, to see the beauty in you.
My princess. You are here.
Always.
I want to thank you truly from the depth of my heart. Mother told me everything. She knew about you.
There's no need for thanks, my sister. It was our destiny, our bond.
But the forest, you saved me so many times. You saved me when the maiden tried to lure me. When the spirit chased us. Ijimam, you have always been there for me. You have been my shield, my guide, my protector. I wouldn't have been back if not you.
It was your courage that brought you back alive. I was merely the echo of your own strength, destined to protect and to guide you.
It's mom, my priestess. It's different now.
You will make a great priestess. You will make a different priestess. The hope of this kingdom lies in your hands. It's time for you to take up, change the kingdom, and possess your power. As a priestess, it is time for you to take your own lead. It's time for me to go. I have completed my mission here.
Ijimam,
my princess,
are you leaving me?
I'm not leaving you. But my presence won't be visible. I am always with you, anytime, any day.
Ijimam,
my princess,
can we please dance for the last time?
Sure, as long as it's coming from the princess.
Chocho migo, watamasha mwokwaka. 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 Chocho migo, watamasha